the reason why this stealth fighter jet is too tough to be traded. Few fighter jets in the aviation industry went beyond being mere mechanical marvels to become symbols of strength, adaptability, and innovation. The F-22 Raptor is one such masterpiece that stands as a symbol of American air superiority. When contemplating the idea of trading this formidable aircraft, one is faced with an undeniable truth. The F-22 Raptor is simply too tough to be traded. Here's why. Just think about it. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I will explore more exciting content in the future. F-22 Raptor's revolutionary stealth technology is the key to its superiority. This fighter jet's advanced radar concealment technology enables it to infiltrate hostile territory with a level of stealth and surprise unmatched by any other aircraft. Its sleek aerodynamics and radar-absorbing materials make it virtually invisible, making it an irresistible force on the battlefield. The Raptor wasn't merely designed to fly, it was engineered to dominate. Its advanced avionics, sensor fusion, and maneuverability put it in a league of its own. The jet's unmatched situational awareness, combined with its ability to outmaneuver adversaries, grants its pilots an insurmountable edge in aerial combat scenarios. This superiority makes the F-22 Raptor a force to be reckoned with and elevates it to a level where trading it would be akin to surrendering a strategic advantage. Unlike some aircraft limited to specific roles, the F-22 Raptor excels across the spectrum of modern warfare. From air superiority and ground attack to electronic warfare and intelligence gathering, this jet can seamlessly adapt to changing mission requirements. Its multi-role capability ensures that it remains relevant and effective in dynamic and evolving conflict scenarios. The F-22 Raptor isn't just a machine, it's a fusion of human expertise and technological brilliance. Its state-of-the-art fly-by-wire systems, coupled with intuitive controls and user-friendly interfaces, create an unparalleled harmony between pilot and aircraft. This synergy allows pilots to push the aircraft to its limits, unleashing its full potential in the hands of those who understand and harness its power. The F-22 Raptor's resilience is underpinned by its innovative maintenance and support infrastructure. Its modular design and streamlined maintenance processes ensure that the jet spends more time in the air than on the ground. This maximizes its operational availability, reinforcing its status as a reliable guardian of the skies. The idea of the F-22 Raptor was born in the 1980s when the U.S. Air Force recognized the need for a new generation of fighter aircraft to maintain air superiority in the evolving landscape of aerial combat. The Advanced Tactical Fighter program was initiated to develop a successor to the F-15 Eagle. Lockheed Martin's design, designated as the YF-22, emerged as the winner of a fly-off competition against Northrop's YF-23 prototype in 1991. The YF-22's superior agility, speed, and stealth characteristics secured its selection as the basis for the F-22 Raptor program. The F-22 Raptor's development was heavily focused on stealth technology, combining advanced materials, aerodynamics, and radar-absorbing coatings to minimize its radar cross-section. This revolutionary approach made the Raptor nearly invisible to enemy radar systems, giving it a substantial advantage in both offensive and defensive operations. The integration of cutting-edge avionics, sensor fusion, and fly-by-wire controls enabled the F-22 to achieve unmatched situational awareness and maneuverability. It can operate in contested environments, detecting and engaging multiple threats simultaneously, while offering the pilot an enhanced ability to make split-second decisions. The F-22 Raptor achieved initial operational capability in 2005, marking the point at which it was deemed ready for combat operations. Its primary role as an air superiority fighter was reinforced by its ability to perform ground attack, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare missions. The F-22's combat debut took place during the 2014 airstrikes against ISIS in Syria, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness in modern conflict scenarios. However, the limited production run and high costs led to the cessation of further procurement in 2009, with the U.S. Air Force ultimately acquiring a total of 195 aircraft. The F-22 Raptor has left an indelible mark on aviation history. Its capabilities have reshaped the concept of air superiority and influenced the development of subsequent fighter jets. While production ended, the lessons learned from the F-22 program have contributed to the development of the next-generation F-35 Lightning II, a multi-role stealth fighter designed for the U.S. and Allied forces. The F-22's legacy extends beyond its operational service. It serves as a testament to American innovation and technological prowess, representing the pinnacle of air dominance. The aircraft's presence remains a symbol of military might and a beacon of national strength, even as it paves the way for the future of aerial warfare. In a world where technological advancement shapes military dominance, the F-22 Raptor represents the epitome of progress. Its integrated systems, advanced materials, and cutting-edge weaponry make it a marvel of modern engineering. Trading such an asset would be tantamount to relinquishing an irreplaceable cornerstone of national defense and security. The F-22 Raptor's legacy transcends its physical form. It embodies the spirit of innovation, the determination to push boundaries, and the pursuit of excellence. Trading the F-22 Raptor is more than a transaction. It's a surrender of unparalleled power, a relinquishing of unmatched superiority, and a forfeiture of the future of aerial warfare. This fighter jet stands as a sentinel of strength, a guardian of national security, and a beacon of technological brilliance that is truly too tough to be traded.
And Bulldog, Trident, sounds like we have a lot of feedback on interphone. We'll stick with the air prime. And 1-1 copies all, thanks.
Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay up to date with our future videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. By subscribing, you'll be joining our community of other viewer subscribers who share our passion for increasing the knowledge of education in the military world. Just think about it. Signing off.